the pin to float. We can take it out and then use tools to directly snap it on and turn it counterclockwise to remove the water pressure key above. After a long time, there will be sand, impurities and scale here, which will cause the seal to be loose, thus causing water to keep coming in. We have to remove it and clean it all. By the way, take a small needle to dredge the pressure relief hole. Sometimes the pressure relief hole is almost blocked, which will cause the water to enter and make a buzzing sound. If it is blocked, it will also cause the problem of not being able to float in the water. There is a small leather pad on the head of the floating rod. Over time, it will age and wear out, and it will also cause the seal to be loose. We can dig it out because it is cylindrical, and then turn it over and put it back as it was. After processing, we will put it back as it was, put it on, and then turn the float clockwise and put it back. Put the rod on, push the latch inward, and cover it again. Remember to like and follow it when you come across it.